Getting started with Never Seller Dashboard. Listing your products. There are three steps to listing your products. If your products have product variants, first step is creating your product options. Second step is adding products to the catalog. Third step is updating your inventory. For demonstration purposes, let's add a Prada shirt dress. The product name is Prada Batwing Sleeve Oversized Shirt Dress. The product will be available in two colors, beige and khaki, and we have separate product images taken for both colors. The product will only be available in UK size 12 and UK size 14. Here you have two tables that shows the available quantity and the selling price of each product variant. For example, size 12 beige color we have 5 units available and is sold at 6,500. For size 14 khaki color we have 3 product units and is sold at 7,000. We can have different available quantities and selling prices for each product variant. So let's start with the first step, creating product options. There are two types of options. First type is inbuilt options. These are the options that are already available and do not need to be added by the seller. General colors, general clothing sizes are already available. Second type is seller defined options. These are the product options that are created by the seller. We already have an inbuilt product option for dress sizes. So let's create a product option to add these two colors, beige and khaki. The option display name is color and the option values are beige and khaki. Now click on the Options tab, then click on Add Options. For the option identifier, choose a name that will help you identify the option. To easily identify that this option is associated with the shirt dress, I have chosen shirt dress color as the option identifier. For the option display name, choose a name that you want your buyers to see. The option display name will be visible here. If you have separate images for each of the product options, select Yes. Here we have separate images for both colors beige and khaki, so I'm going to select Yes. Here choose Yes if the option is an option for different colors. I have selected Yes. Now click Save Changes. Now let's add the option values. Click on Add New to add the option values. Here the option values are beige and khaki. Now add the option value identifier. This is just for the ease of identification and is not visible to the buyer. For the option value name, add the display name that you want your buyers to see. I have added beige here. The option value color is only available when you are adding an option for different colors. Here you can add the color by selecting the color from the color palette or by adding the hex value of the color. The hex value of the color can be obtained by doing a simple Google search. After that, click Save Changes. To find the hex code, simply do a Google search. We have successfully added beige. Now let's add khaki. Repeat the same steps. Add the option value, add the option value name as khaki, select the option value color from the color palette or by adding the hex code, then click Save Changes. We have successfully added beige and khaki. Now our product option setup is complete. The second step of listing products is adding products to the catalog. The shop catalog contains the list of items that the seller plans to sell through Nevour.com. If you want to add a new product, first it is entered to the shop catalog. The product is not visible to the buyers until it is added to the shop inventory. There are some rules in naming products. Make sure that you add sufficient information for the buyers. Always start each word with an uppercase letter, except for words like and, of, etc. First, start off with the brand name, but this is optional. Second, the features of the product. Third, the product model and the product type. Here we have three examples. First is Prada batwing sleeve oversized shirt dress. The brand is Prada. The product feature is batwing sleeve. Model and product type is oversized shirt dress. Second example, handmade ice blue batik cotton bag. Here we don't have a brand mentioned. The product features are that it is handmade and it is ice blue in color. The model and product type is batik cotton bag. For the third example, we have Arimia sterling silver blue iron and tiger necklace. The brand here is Arimia. The product feature is that it is made of sterling silver. The model is blue iron and tiger, and the product type is necklace. This is the shop catalog. It contains the list of items that the seller plans to sell through Nevour.com. Now let's add the product to the shop catalog. First, click on Product tab. Now click on Add New Products. Now let's select the product category. If your product belongs to several categories, add the main category. Multiple categories can be linked later. To search the category, type the category name here, or you can select it from the list. I have chosen the women category, and under that I have chosen dresses. If you do not find a suitable product category, please contact Nevour Seller Support to have the required category added. Then click on Select. Now let's add some product details. Click on the Basic tab. For the product identifier, give a name for the product. This is for the ease of identifying this product, and it is not visible to the buyer. For the product type, it can be physical or digital. Here, since it is a dress, I have chosen physical. For the product model, I have chosen oversized shirt dress. For the text category, choose general category. Now let's enter the brand name. If the brand name is not already available, click on Add New Brand. If the product does not have a brand name, enter generic. Here you can add the minimum selling price. The selling price can only be equal or higher than this amount. Here you can add the dimensions of the packaged product. I have selected centimeters as the dimensions unit, and I have added the length, width and height. The weight with packaging is very important here because this will be used for delivery cost calculation. Here I have used kilogram as the weight unit, and I have added 1.2 kilograms as the weight. Make sure you add the weight along with the packaging. Select yes if the product is available for cash on delivery. Tick if you want this to be a featured product. Tick if you offer free shipping for this product. Then click on Save Changes. Now click on the English tab. Here you have to enter the product name. This will be visible to your buyers. Always make sure that you start with a capital letter. Here we have started with the brand name Prada, followed by the product features batwing sleeve, and the product model and product type oversized shirt dress. Here you can see the product name and product brand on the product page. You can add the product description here. Make sure you are accurate and sufficiently descriptive. You can use insert image option to insert images to the description. You can use insert table option to insert tables to the description. To add the size guide, you can use insert image option if you have the size guide as an image, or else you can use the insert table option to create a table and fill it out to create the size guide. The product description is visible on the product page here. Now click on links. Product categories and product tags are optional and you can choose to skip them. If you believe that your product belongs to multiple categories, you can link them here. Here you can add your product tags. Now click on options. We need to add two options. One is size, UK dress sizes. It is already built in. Two is color. That was created by us previously. So here I am going to select UK dress sizes. This is already available and does not need to be created. Now let's select the second option, color. Here it is easy for me to find using the product identifier shirt dress color. Here we have successfully added the two product options. Here the two product options, size and color, are visible on the product page. Click on Specifications tab. Adding specifications are optional and you can choose to skip it. Click on Add Specifications. Here I have chosen material as the specification label text and I have chosen 95% polyester, 5% elastane as the specification value. For example, for a mobile phone, there are several specifications. For example, memory, RAM, display, all of them can be added. You can see the product specifications here on the product page. To go to the shop catalog, first click on Products tab, then click on Shop Catalog. Here you can see we have successfully added Prada Batwing Sleeve Oversized Shirt Dress to the product catalog. Now we can add the product images. Click on Product Images Action button. Since we selected Yes for having separate images for each product option, here we have the facility to add different images for each product option. Select the option and upload the images relevant for that option. When the buyer selects this, the product images relevant to this option will be displayed. Here I have selected beige color and I have uploaded 3 product images relevant to beige color. Here the same process is repeated for the khaki color. There are 3 images uploaded for khaki color. Larger images will take a long time to load for a buyer. Sometimes larger images will be blocked from uploading. Therefore, we recommend that all product images are compressed using tiny PNG. It is very easy. Simply visit www.tinypng.com. Here you can simply drag and drop your images to get them compressed. Click Download All to download the compressed images. Then they can be used as product images. Third and final step of listing products, updating the inventory. Products will only be visible to buyers when the products are added to the shop inventory. Here we are adding the selling prices, available stock quantities, and other information for each and every product variant. Now let's add the product to shop inventory. Click on Products tab. Then click on the plus icon to add inventory. Let's input the product information for size 12 beige color product variant of the shirt dress. Click on the Basic tab. Then select the first option, size 12. Then select the second option, page color. Now add the available quantity. The available quantity for size 12 beige is 5 units. Here you can add the cost price. This is to calculate profits. Here you can add the selling price relevant for this product variant. For size 12 beige color, it's 6,500. Please make sure that you select Yes to maintaining stock levels. This allows your stock to be updated every time a buyer makes a purchase. If you select Track for tracking product inventory, you will receive alert emails when your stock is running out. You can select the quantity at which the stock level alerts are sent. Here you can add the product stock keeping unit. This is optional and you can skip it. Here you can add the product condition. Here I have added new. Now click on the English tab. Here you can see the auto-generated product display title. Now click on the warranty policy tab. Here I have chosen no warranty. Next, click on return policy tab. Here I have chosen no returns policy. The tabs SEO, special price, volume discount, and links are optional, and you can choose to skip them. The SEO tab is about search engine visibility. Under the special price tab, you can add the special discounted price. Under the volume discount tab, you can add a discount when several products are purchased. These tabs are optional, and you can skip them. The warranty policy and return policy are displayed here. Now let's go to Shop Inventory. Click on Products tab. Click on Shop Inventory. Now you can see we have successfully added the first variant of our product. Size 12 beige color shirt dress is now available. This product is now visible to the buyers. The same process needs to be replicated for the other product variants. The clone action button can be used to make the process much quicker. Under Clone Inventory, select the options and fill in the required fields. Here I have selected size 14, color khaki, and I have added the cost price, selling price, and available quantities, etc. Replicate the same process for all the product variants. We have now successfully added all the product variants to the shop inventory. Now it is visible to buyers. This is how the product will be visible to the buyers. Here you can see the size option. Here you can see the color option. We have now successfully listed the product.